को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की बधाई देते हैं। यह दिवस हमें अपने महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों तथा शहीदों का स्मरण करा जाता है। भारतवासी उनके बताए मार्ग पर चलने का संकल्प प्रकट करते हैं। स्वतंत्रता दिवस भारत के लोगों को आपसी मतभेद भुलाकर देश के नवनिर्माण की प्रेरणा देते हैं। जय हिंद।
Now I would like to call Akshita, Miss Akshita, to share her view.
ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಎಸ್.ಕೆ. ನಾಯರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೂ, ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದರಿಗಳಿಗೂ, ನನ್ನ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 70ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವು ಇಂದಿಗೆ ಅನೇಕ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಂಡಿದೆ. ಕೈಗಾರಿಕಾ, ಕೃಷಿ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಉನ್ನತವನ್ನು ಕಂಡಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಪಿಡುಗುಗಳು ನಿವಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಿದೆ. ಪಿಡುಗುಗಳಾದ ಅಸ್ಪೃಶ್ಯತೆ, ಬಾಲ್ಯ ವಿವಾಹ, ವರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ಪೀಡಿತೆ, ಲಂಚತನ, ಜಾತಿಭೇದ, ಉಗ್ರರ ಉಪಟನ ಹಾಗೂ ಅಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಮಂತ್ರಿಯವರ ಆಶಯದಂತೆ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಅಭಿಯಾನವನ್ನು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಸುಂದರ ಮತ್ತು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತ ದೇಶವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಪಾಡೋಣ. ಈ ಹೋರಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನೀವು ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಮನೆ, ಬೀದಿ, ಶಾಲೆ, ಆಫೀಸುಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯಿಂದ ಕಾಪಾಡೋಣ. ಈ ಹೋರಾಟದ ಜಯ ನಮ್ಮದಾಗಲಿ. ಇಂದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ನಾಳಿನ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳು. ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ, ನಾಡು, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಬೇರೆ ಆದರೂ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಭಾರತೀಯರು. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.
Now I request Ms. Priyanka to address the gathering, please.
Respected Director Sri S.K. Nair, our beloved Priya Ma'am, distinguished guests and invitees, and my colleagues and my lovely children. Today we are celebrating 17th Indian Independence Day of our nation. I am thankful to my colleague and my management for having given me this opportunity to address you all. We can imagine how India was before 70 years. The entire nation was looted by the Britishers. All the Indians were treated as their slaves. They were here for many years. They made India one of the underdeveloped countries. The people of India couldn't afford the situation. They started registering it. That has become a movement, the struggle for independence. As it was spreading throughout the nation, a man who has become the father of the nation later entered into his movement and taken the leadership, Mahatma Gandhi. Indians fought the war against Britishers, not with weapons but with the strength and unity, with truth and non-violence. The Britishers couldn't withstand it. They killed thousands of Indian freedom fighters at various occasions. And finally, on 14th August 1947, midnight 12 o'clock, India got independence. During these 70 years, India has become one among the powerful countries of the world. That too not because of the weapons or ammunition, but the strength and unity. Our able and efficient Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi is struggling hard to take India to the highest. Today the need of the hour is to prevent the corruption, to make India clean, the Swachh Bharat. We have to ensure our participation. For that, first we should do our duty well. First make our house clean, then our surroundings. The nation will become one of the most beautiful part of this world. Friends, let us take an oath that we will live up to the mark to make our nation the best in the world with the maximum work that we can do without taking any risk or financial involvement. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Now, dear friends, let us enjoy the national song by all the teachers.
Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Shri शुभ्रजोत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्.
We have mentioned earlier also, we like our Kidsy parents to involve in the activities of Kidsy. By then only, children will be able to understand the importance of our celebration. We'll start now parents and children, parents and kids together program. They will perform some of the activities, some of the performance. I would like to call Tanish from nursery along with her mama to perform some. Performer is Chandra Shekhar Azad. Yeah, Kashfi from playgroup is going to perform Chandra Shekhar Azad.
I will give you a little introduction to Sri Chandrasekhar Azad. Sri Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari, better known as Chandrasekhar Azad, was born on July 23, 1906. He was deeply troubled by the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar in the year 1919. He was instrumental in forming Hindustan Socialist Republic Association with fellow compatriots Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. He was known for his fierce patriotism and courage. He inspired many in his generation to enter the freedom struggle. He mentored Bhagat Singh. When Mahatma Gandhi launched the non-cooperation movement, he participated actively and committed himself to get freedom from the British rule by any means. He vowed that he will never die at the hands of the British. He was surrounded by the British on February 27, 1931 due to the betrayal of a fellow member. He shot himself and became a martyr of our country. I will present a very famous line that Sri Chandrasekhar Azad used to tell all his followers. If yet your blood does not rage, then it is water that flows in your veins. For what is the flush of youth if it is not service to the motherland? Can I request all parents to observe a minute's silence to such martyrs who have given up everything to give us freedom today? Just a minute of silence, please. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Rajesh, his father, and he's Ambedkar. So why Ambedkar? Why did we choose to perform as Ambedkar? Okay, the reason is, as he said, he's the first law minister of India. Most of us might be knowing this factor. And some of us might be knowing that he formed the constitution. He was a chairperson of the constitutional committee, which formed the constitution of independent India. But more than everything, we chose Ambedkar because Ambedkar believed in equality. See, he thought everybody in this world are equal and everybody have the same rights to live as an independent citizen in any part of the country, of course. But he came from a background where a lot of his people were oppressed by the other people inside India. So that is the exact reason he became Ambedkar. He fought for their rights and he made them as equal to anybody else. So that is the exact thing we decided to perform as Ambedkar. So, thank you. Wishing you a happy Independence Day.
Our next performer is Bharat Mata, Bhumika from Junior KG.
I'll talk about India and freedom fighters. The Indian independence movement was a movement mainly from 1857 until 15th August 1947, when India got independence from British Raj. The movement involved many political and social organizations, armed and unarmed struggle. We will remember about greatest Indian freedom fighters. Bhagat Singh is rightly considered to be the most influential revolutionary during independence movement. At the age of 23, Singh was sentenced to death along with Rajguru and Sukhdev, while all three of them kissed the rope, put it around their neck themselves and died for the sake of Bharat Mata. Mahatma Gandhi, the man picture we see every day on the currency of this country, the father of nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, gave up everything to make India free and independent country. Subhash Chandra Bose, another great freedom fighter, who was founder of Indian National Congress, Army, and slogan Jai Hind was also given by him. Chandrasekhar Azad, one of the greatest freedom fighter and revolutionary. His unforgettable contributions include establishment of Hindustan Socialistic Republic Association, mentoring and encouraging young revolutionaries. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a prominent leader of Indian National Congress and played a leading role in India's struggle for independence. Dr. Rajendra Prasad played a great role in the freedom struggle and architect of Constitution of India. Dr. Ambedkar was one who scripted Constitution of democratic country. So there are lots of many more people. They have contributed for India become independent country and free from British Raj. So we remember all of them. Jai Bharat Mata.
Sudhish from Junior KG. Sudhish and Sudhish Mama will going to sing a patriotic song.
To one and all, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. So today we have gathered here to celebrate a great national event. As we all know, Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. So on behalf of this occasion, I would like to sing one patriotic song. Desham manade, tejam manade, Desham manade, tejam manade, egurutunna jenda manade. Neeti manade, jati manade, prajala annadanda manade. అందాల బంధం ఉంది ఈ నేలలో, ఆత్మీయ రాగం ఉంది ఈ గాలిలో. ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా, ఏ కులమైనా ఏ మతమైనా, భరత మాతకొకటే లేరా. ఎన్ని దేహాలున్నా మాకెన్ని తేడాలున్నా, దేశమంటే ప్రాణమిస్తామంతా ఈ
వందే మాతరం అన్నామందరం. దేశం మనదే, తేజం మనదే, ఎగురుతున్న జెండా మనదే, నీతి మనదే, జాతి మనదే.